Before we go any further, we're going to talk about how to keep your files organized, because it's very important to have them in a specific location, because when you go to upload them to the website, you're going to want to be able to have that go flawlessly without having to relink any of your links or your image files or anything like that. And so right now the file is saved on my desktop as sample website. I'm going to create a new folder, also named sample website. And you want to remember always when making file names, oh, I guess I can't do that. We'll call it sample website folder. But you want to remember when you're making file names for any file that's going to be in HTML, either your image file or the actual HTML file itself, that you can't have any spaces or the browser will not recognize it. So we're going to go sample, let's call it sample folder. So we'll open this up and drag my website in there. So now this is sample website. And I've got some preloaded images that I'm going to use on this website. And so before I add them into the file, I want to make sure that they're actually in the right place. So there's that, there's that. And so we'll keep working from here.